We designed the Miller FTS to be simple and easy to use, allowing quick access into loose buffer tubes up to 6 mm in diameter. Simply press the tool halves together to expose the end opening. You can either slide the tool over the end or go directly over the top of your cable to your desired strip point. Rotate the tool 2 to 4 times. You don't need to overdo this step, you're just trying to create a light score mark on the outer buffer tube surface. Pop the cable over your score mark and you should hear a very light popping or cracking. This will ensure the blade did not go deep enough to go entirely through the buffer tube wall and risk damaging the fibers below. You now have clean access to the fibers with no damage. The Miller FTS provides one-step precision buffer tube scoring. It has a factory-set hardened carbon steel blade that requires no adjustments for the life of the tool, and the body is made from a resilient polymer to ensure a long life. We offer the Miller FTS in multiple blade depths, which are color-coded so you can identify which diameter and wall thickness buffer tube best suits your application needs.